In this video, I am going to introduce you forum feedback that is used in an activity in which students prepare a recorded presentation and afterwards receive feedback from their peers in an online forum. On the course platform, navigate to the presentation you need to provide feedback to. Click on it and it will automatically open or start to download. Watch the presentation and take notes if needed. Afterwards, go to the presenter's forum and click on it. You can click on Reply to share your feedback. Type your feedback in the box. If needed, you can also click on Upload to attach a file into your reply. Or click on the hyperlink symbol to insert a hyperlink. Click on Save to share your feedback. Moreover, you can also use thumbs up or down buttons to react. Please remember that the specific functions described here can be different according to the learning management system that is used.